Good morning. My name is Steve Wagner. I'm president of TAR Incorporated. We're an asphalt company here in Dayton, Ohio that specializes in resurfacing, asphalt repair, seal coating, and striping. So today is actually our first video blog, and the reason why we're doing this is simply to start documenting some of the questions I get when I go out and about and talk to customers and doing asphalt repair, seal coating, resurfacing. So what's going to happen in the course of this year, we're going to do a variety of vlogs that basically starts documenting some of those questions, starts showing you some of the things we do and why we do it, showing you the results of finished products and why they are the way they are, anything along those lines. Simply the idea is to take the mystery out of doing asphalt work and help you learn and understand what goes into putting in a new asphalt surface. So buckle up and let's have fun.